Welcome one day multidisciplinary international e-conference on interdisciplinary view on socio-economic, educational, environmental, commerce and management, literacy, literary research and sustainable development in COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am Assistant Professor Sujata Kuldipke and my colleague Dr. Chandrakant Lonkar present the research online mentoring program for teacher educators during and after the COVID-19 pandemic situation in India. Abstract: in India and worldwide, universities, colleges and schools are shut down because of consequence of COVID-19 pandemic. Adapting to online teaching during COVID-19 is a challenge before teachers and learners. Keywords: online mentoring program, COVID-19 mentoring portal, subject expert mentor, management guru mentor, research mentor, big brother, big sister mentor. Introduction: change is the law of nature, man and society. Pandemic situations are responsible for online mentoring, teaching and learning process. This paper intends to fill the gap and create healthy relation among teacher educators in India. Concept of mentoring. Following definition clears the concept and meaning of mentoring. David Clutterbuck defines mentoring as mentoring involves primarily listening with empathy, sharing experience, professional friendship, developing insight through reflection, being a soundboard, encouraging. Second, according to Whiskey L. Nodosky, mentoring is a linking an experienced person with a less experienced person to help their personal and professional growth. Feature of mentoring. Mentoring involves mutual trust between the mentor and the mentee. Mutual respect between the mentor and the mentee is the key for successful mentoring. Mentoring in education colleges. A teacher, educator enters in the profession with his experience received from his college and he adjusts with the new college with new systems. Online mentoring program. Objective of the program: to connect teacher educators in India for mentoring, to advise newcomers, teachers, educators, to help researchers in the specialized area from the mentor guides. Procedure of the program. Every university in India should establish online mentoring portal for teacher education colleges. Each teacher educator should be the member on the portal. Advantages of the OMP. The program will cross the COVID-19 pandemic situations successfully and with less expenditure. It will enhance the ICT skill of the mentor and the mentee. It will be common platform for the professional teacher educator in India. Barriers in OMP. Economical provision for the establishment of the portal. Free consults or paid consults is a barrier. Conclusion. This online mentoring program is an idea. When it will become a reality, definitely will become fruitful program to the discipline. It will face successfully COVID-19 situation through online mentoring program. References. These are the references we used for above research paper. Thank you, all of you.